In the previous Slash upgrade video, we added the Traxxas Link wireless module, although to make full use of the dashboard we need to add some sensors to the system. But before we even do that, we're going to install this, the Traxxas Telemetry Expander. The Traxxas 6550 Telemetry Expander isn't a strict requirement for some basic sensors, but if you're looking to add the GPS sensor, or simply want to add more sensors in the future, then this is something you'll be wanting to invest in. Note though, in order to mount this into the vehicle, we need to make yet another purchase, a mounting kit, specifically the Traxxas 6555 kit for the Slash. Along with some basic instructions, the mounting kit consists of a couple of plastic mounting brackets and a set of 3 screws. For the Slash in particular, we'll be using these 2 pieces. The remaining piece is for a different model and not needed for our installation. So with the body removed, we'll be concentrating on the rear end of the vehicle, in particular the rear shock tower. From here, installing the mounting kit is relatively simple and involves inserting the smaller of the 2 pieces into the rear of the tower, and the front slides into the opposite side, just clearing the VG Racing chassis brace we installed in the previous upgrade and providing a perfect fit. Finally, secure both together with the 3 provided screws, and with that, the mounting kit install is complete and ready for the expander to sit on top. And when it comes to the expander, it's a neat little box of tricks, similar in size and shapes to the vehicle's receiver box. Above it are 4 pre-installed screws. 2 can be removed to release the main cover, revealing the 8 connectors beneath, while the remaining 2 can be removed to reveal a cavity for the GPS module to be installed. A separate Traxxas purchase which we'll take a look at in a future upgrade. Along with the expander, we receive a tube of silicone grease helping to create a watertight seal once installed, and a small pack containing 2 screws, a communication cable, and a small zip tie. And thanks to that mounting kit, installing the expander is a simple affair, involving placing it on top of the mounting plate we've just installed, and securing into place with the 2 screws provided alongside the expander itself. Finally, we need to install the communication cable. This plugs into the last port on the expander module. The port just above is an expansion port for daisy chaining another expander unit, leaving the remaining 6 ports for attaching sensors. Remembering to feed the communication cable through the expander's top cover, the other end attaches to the vehicle's receiver unit, so it's a matter of removing the 4 screws on the receiver cover and plugging the communication cable into the available port. Finally, route the cable as you wish before reattaching the receiver cover and securing into place with the same 4 screws. All that's left is to secure the expander cover with the 2 screws provided, and although some of the included silicone grease can now be applied to the foam inserts to protect from water, I'm going to skip this step for now and go ahead with attaching the cable cover, since we'll be revisiting this shortly when it comes to installing the sensors. And that's it. Installation of the Telemetry Expander is complete. Power up the vehicle and you should see a solid green LED on the expander module indicating all is well.